Let us solve this question. It was asked in CAT 2024 in slot 2 from profit and loss topic. This question is pretty simple if you comprehend it well. It says that Beena incurs 19% loss when she sells a product at rupees 4860. So we know for sure for Beena, selling price is given. The selling price of Beena will be cost price of Shyam. Do we understand this? So selling price obviously is what? Cost price minus loss. In case of loss, we know the selling price, which is 4860 rupees, right? We do not know what is the cost price, and the loss that she is having is 19%. You must know that loss and profit, they both are calculated on cost price. So there is a loss of 19% of what value? Cost price. And that comes out as what? X negative 19% of X will become 81% of X. And that value is 4860. So will you be able to find out the value of X from here? So X comes out as what? 4860 into 100 over 81, because 81% is 81 upon 100. When it goes on the other side of equality, it becomes 100 upon 81. Now, so this is 160. So the value of X comes out as 6000 rupees. So now you know what is the cost price to whom? Cost price of Beena. Now you also understand the cost price of Shyam, which is 4860 rupees, who is in turn sells this product to Hari. So the selling price of Shyam will become cost price of Hari. If Beena would have sold this product to Shyam at the purchasing price of Hari. So now have a look at this. There are three persons out here. You have got Beena, and then you have got Shyam, and then you have got Hari. So what if I write down their cost prices? The cost price of Beena is 6000 rupees. The cost price of Shyam is 4860 rupees. And let us assume that the cost price of Hari is X rupees. Right? Then this problem says that if Beena would have sold this product to Shyam at the purchasing price of Hari, she would have obtained 17% profit. 17% of profit on what value? This. So can we find out Hari's cost price? Hari's cost price. So Hari's cost price is going to be how much? Selling price of Beena. So that is going to be what? 6000 rupees is the cost price plus 17% of 6000. Right? So this is going to be what? 6000 plus 17% is 1020, and then this price comes out as 7020. So what is this interpretation? That if Beena would have sold this product to Shyam at the purchasing price of Hari. So what is the purchasing price of Hari? It is 7020. Then she would have made a profit of 17%, right? So we know the cost price of Hari now, and that is nothing but 7020 rupees. Then the problem is asking you to find out what then profit made by Shyam. We know the cost price of Shyam. We know the cost price of Hari. Shyam's selling price is nothing but Hari's cost price. So how much Hari is making in this? No, how much Shyam is making in this entire transaction? So the profit of Shyam is coming out as 7020 negative 4860. Will you be able to find it out? This is 0 and then 6 1 and then 6. So 2160. It was a theta problem, so you need to fill in your answer, and that right answer should be 2160 rupees. Isn't it a simple problem? I always say this: crack simple problems, get more than 99 percentile and go to IIMs.